Assalamu alaikum students. As I have told you that I am going to explain you some more important questions depend on first shifting property of Laplace transform. So once again I want to explain you, or once again I want to remind you the formulas. L of e power a t t power n is n factorial by s minus a n power n plus 1. L of e power a t sin b t is equals to b by s minus a square plus b square. L of e power a t cos b t is equals to s minus a by s minus a whole square plus b square. Okay, as I have done two problems depend on these formulas. Now I am going to explain you the third problem, which is given you as e power 3t into cos square t. Given what is the question? E power 3t into cos square t. So we know that formula. You peoples have to remember this formula. It is from intermediate level. Okay, so cos square t is equals to 1 plus cos 2t by 2. Okay, we will learn this. 2 cos square theta is equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta we will write. So here cos square theta is equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So in the place of theta here we are having t. So we will take, in the place of cos square t, we will take 1 plus cos 2t by 2 as our f of t. Okay, f of t is 1 plus cos 2t by 2. Applying Laplace, L of f of t is 1 by 2 is constant, L of 1 plus cos 2t. 1 by 2 is constant, L of 1 means 1 by s plus L of cos 2t. Cos 2t is s by s square plus 2 square, that is 4. So what I will get here after taking the LCM is s into s square plus 4. So 1 by 2 is constant, LCM is s into s square plus 4. Cross multiplication, s square plus 4 into 1, that is s square plus 4 plus s into s square. So I will get here 1 by 2 2s square plus 4 by s into s square plus 4. So I am taking 2 common. So it becomes 2 into s square plus 2 by s into s square plus 4. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. Left is with s square plus 2 by s into s square plus 4. Okay. So this is, you are having your problem. Okay. Now what you have to do, this is your f of s. Okay. Now what you have to do, e power a t f of t is equals to what? F of s minus a. So what you are having, e power, what is the question you are having? E power 3t. E power 3t f of t, that is f of s minus 3. So wherever you are having s, you have to substitute. What you have to substitute? S minus 3 whole square plus 2 by s minus 3 into s minus 3 whole square plus 4. Okay. Now what you people have to do? You have to do s minus 3 whole square. You have to open this in form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square and add this 2. Here also you have to open this a minus 3 whole square plus 4, and this complete term you have to multiply with this term, that is s minus 3. You will get the answer. Okay, now I am going to explain you the very important next question, that is e power 2t sin 3t into cos 2t. Okay, e power 2t into sin 3t into cos 2t. What is our first thing what we have to do? As we have done previously also, we will take this term which is beside e power 2t, we will take f of t. F of t is equals to sin 3t into cos 2t. Sin 3t into cos 2t. We know that from the transformation in the intermediate level, chapter transformation, 2 sin a cos b is equals to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. This formula we know. So we will convert the given form in this formula. So what is the missing term we are having? 2. So what we have to do? We have to multiply and divide this term by 2. 1 by 2 into 2 into sin 3t cos 2t. So it is now in the form of 2 sin a cos b. Now we will write this in this form. Okay, sin a plus b, that is sin 3t plus 2t plus sin 3t minus 2t. What I will get here? 1 by 2 sin 3t plus 2t become 5. plus 3t minus 2t become t. So our f of t becomes f of t. What is our f of t? Sin 3t cos 2t is equals to this we get 1 by 2 sin 5t plus sin t. Now we have to apply our Laplace, that is L of f of t is equals to 1 by 2 is constant, L of sin t plus sin 5t plus sin t. Okay, now 1 by 2 L of sin 5t plus L of sin t. 1 by 2 here sin 5t. What is the formula of sin 80? L of sin 80 is a by s square plus a square. So here 5 by s square plus 25 plus here 1 by s square plus 1 square, that is 1. Now here also we have to take our LCM. Okay, so LCM is s square plus 25 into s square plus 1. Okay, now cross multiply this term with this term with this. 5 into s square plus 1 plus 1 into s square plus 25. Now open this. 5 into s square, 5s square plus 5 ones are 5 plus s square plus 25. The denominator will be the same as it is, we have to write. The denominator we have to write as it is. Now 5s square plus s square becomes 6x square. 5 plus 25 becomes 30. Now what I have to do? We will take common 2 because here 2 is there. Take common 2. Left is with 3s square plus 10 if you multiply with 2. Okay, 3s square plus 10. This 2 and the common term this 2 gets cancelled. This 2 and if I take the common 2 from this gets cancelled, left over with this. Okay, this is our what? 3s square plus 10 by s square plus 25 into s square plus 1. That is our f of s. Now what we have to do, as you people also know that have done the problem, we are applying first shifting property, that is L of e power 2t, that is given question. L of e power 2t sin 3t into cos 2t is equals to f of s minus this 2, s minus 2. So this is called first shifting property. So wherever you are having s, substitute s minus 2. 3 into s minus 2 whole square plus 15 by s minus 2 whole square plus 1 into s minus 2 whole square plus 25. Okay, now you have to open this term or this bracket in the form of a minus b whole square. So if you open this in the form of a minus b whole square and if you multiply with this 3, you will get this term. Okay, 3s square minus 12s, and if you add this constant with the constant term, so you will get this 25. So what you have to do, you open this a minus b whole square formula and multiply this with 3 and add this 15 to the constant term. Here also a minus b whole square and add this 1, a minus b whole square. So b is 2 here, not a minus b बोले तो a minus b नहीं, s minus 2 whole square, that is a minus b whole square form में open करना. Now, so what we will get here, 3s square minus 12s plus 25 by s square minus 4s, 4 plus 1, 5. S square minus 4s, 4 plus 25, 29. That is our answer. Okay, answer for the given question. Now, this is the very important 2 questions I have explained you here. This is very important questions, expected question. So, this type of question is called it as what? First shifting property problems. Okay. So what you people have to do, you just copy these problems. You just copy all these problems what I have explained to you, and step by step try to understand the problem. And if you are having any doubt, if you are having any queries, please write it down in my comment section. I will explain it once again to you. And till then, what you have to do, if you understand, if you will feel the way is very nice and you are able to understand the problem nicely, so don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz.